Okay, gang, we're going to set up my first cut with my fine line automation 3x3 machine, and hopefully this is all going to be successful. This is my benchmark file. This is the ear from platform.com. Okay, this cut was done with settings of 150 inches per minute, and that's a little fast. I wouldn't want to cut if I were doing a, this machine is made for heavier cutting, not necessarily foam cutting. For foam, we have the flat printer, which is the perfect machine for dealing with foam. I'm running this at 150 inches per minute, all three axes, with an acceleration set at 10 on all three axes. In all honesty, this machine probably will never see beyond 120 inches per minute, and quite frankly, there'll be some of it that'll be, most projects, probably between 80 and 120 inches per minute. This is a test. I've got to do final calibration. And to zoom back, this is my fine line automation 3x3 machine from Mr. Nathan Lowry, and a lot of things I need to clean up on it yet. I need to build a controller module to hold all these goodies here. Running a Gecko 540, a 7.3 amp 48 volt power supply, and Makita, I say Makita, it's not a Makita, it's a Hitachi M12 VC router. Well, yeah, there's the tag. Haven't used the camera in a while. Using Keeling KL23 stepper motors, 425 ounce-inches of torque. You can see my filthy workshop in the background. I'll try not to zoom in too much on that. But anyway, you have witnessed the first official cut of this machine. Thanks for watching.